Hey, me mo bibiara akwaba. De ba tunado appear say tunado appear my channel we so. But I saw click channel we are video we. Jim for break. I dey yes my kese. Nti de me ya me phone bia no. Me sorry say me sha tare anopatutu kura from kwakotare. Sorry. But be people for the Eastern region of Ghana. Now we a short news been a person from just briefly short news. Reasons and I said one or two reasons yeah me dey more. I just said Queen Hazel is alive. Enra, the 5th of August. 2020 we just saw a post on Facebook. Queen Hazel official page, Facebook page. Now, the woman is not dead. The woman is alive. Didn't I make us and say about 2 months ago, or 3 months ago, and 2 months ago, and it is a Queen Hazel, Ephraim. I'm any brother crap, you may be any brother I can, or no any brother I can. Not like a confirm it some way, somehow, not a confirm it because I say, what is any man will be see when you accident to ask for him or come more train will be the honor now. She panic, see any panic be at Queen Hazel. We had all those can't say speculations in Yamako now. But yesterday, recently, everybody was a Queen Hazel official Facebook page. We know say sometimes managers can control your Facebook page, but I don't think say they can do that in your absence. And I say absence, no, absence here making means when you are dead. Ebony had a great following on all the Facebook and I say all the social media platforms, but now no one is controlling that account. No one posts on that particular account. It is Queen Hazel, obviously, there is no, it is not necessary. Say, you post it, the management, and I say, post it on the Facebook account, and I say page. But yesterday, there was a post, and we share post in picture now, Queen Hazel woman, it's like what travel with 2 coin and a waba. But me catch us there. According to no 2 years, it wasn't abroad, no koi. It was within Ghana. Ghana and me because time Queen Hazel say we will speculation say we winning our money now. Na atutu borders mo. So what I say, ya atutu borders so being foreign countries obi so I can say hanum local country hanum say. So what I say, NFA so we took kwan bu or bar. It is not allowed. Still na in be border. It just say I can say Ghana hanum ya. I found out who could die obi anything. So what I say, but Queen Hazel is alive. So I say because Enra, you on Facebook page, and I'll share a can say post now. She was talking about God giving her another chance. Now it means she's alive. So I say she's not dead. It's only in Humpi. The ethos should be one about Queen Hazel recently organizers be the award scheme be eba. Now 1 or 2 be say Queen Hazel are filing nominations no. Obi a we would then call filing nominations are then. Yes, your manager can do that for you, but the person saying what I can't say is I can't say the importance of filing for I can't say a dead person. So what I say, I can't say posting and I say picture I'm there to screen anymore. Hanumana, one of I can't say award schema. Ghana Youth Entertainment Awards, entertainers awards, then Queen Hazel are filing for, and this particular one also are filing for. And after you screen so ye pa, can say the post then rock or no, and I'm there to one mama. So I say it's less than can say 48 hours. Yesterday, on 5th August, this idea equal to home. So I say, this is some of the reasons why I make her just Queen Hazel is alive. Now so show up. I don't know. Menka say any and I say but maybe she will explain what happened and the amount for say why then. Whoa. I don't know where the speculations started from. I don't know what generated that speculations. I don't know what exactly brought that news. But Queen Hazel is alive. More follow Queen Hazel, more the fans. My mom who be and I say I will be dashing my mom because the lady is alive. So I say, that is it. The film to not appear, the music play captain. And I put there in count I say and we can radio so Your friend to not appear. Pacho, subscribe it. Click on the bell icon, like, comment, and share. Comment and everything you know. Say, you think say, Mark Queen Hazel. You think say what you know, your opinion of her being alive. No, what you think say. This is the reason why Queen Hazel is alive. You can comment below. Maybe in my next video, no, I will read it out so that you can say we put that information out. It's no peace. Me yeah Jim ya kugare. We natural one. If you yeah, but people pa. I didn't mean hear that. Bye bye. I love you all.